Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Guide. In the last video, we learned how to think in English without translating. But today, I'm sharing something even more powerful. 5 simple daily habits to help you speak English naturally and confidently. And guess what? You can do all of them from home. No speaking partner, no fancy class, no stress. Let's start with the first one. Habit number 1, speak out loud every day. Not in your mind, out loud. When you speak softly to yourself, your mouth muscles learn English sounds. Say things like, I'm brushing my teeth, I'm making tea, I'm ready to go out. Simple, right? Even 5 minutes a day trains your tongue and brain to work together. Habit number 2, listen and repeat. Choose a short video, podcast, or movie clip. Listen to one line, pause, and repeat exactly what you hear. Same speed, same tone. This is called shadowing. It's how babies learn to speak, by copying sounds. If you do this daily, you'll sound more natural, more fluent, and more confident. Habit number 3, learn phrases, not single words. Don't just memorize words like go, good, or best. Learn full chunks, like go for a walk, it's getting better. That sounds good. When you use phrases, your English flows smoothly, not broken, not robotic. Habit number 4, think in English throughout your day. Describe what you see and do in English. It's raining outside. The bus is late. I'm hungry. The more you do this, the more natural it becomes. English stops being just a subject. It becomes part of your thinking. Habit number 5, record yourself for 2 minutes a day. Pick any topic. Talk freely, then listen. Don't judge yourself. Just notice pronunciation and grammar. You'll hear progress week by week. Your own voice becomes your best English teacher. Let's quickly review the 5 habits. Speak out loud. Listen and repeat. Learn phrases. Think in English. And record yourself. Just 10 minutes daily. That's all you need. If you liked this video, hit like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English Guide. And tell me in the comments, which habit will you start today? See you in the next video, how to sound confident when speaking English.